Angela, can you do a case study about the Build-A-Bear trademarks? Yes, I can, and I'm going to spend the next 4 minutes discussing them. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here on weekdays to discuss trademarks and copyrights. I answer your trademark and copyright questions live. If you have some, just drop them into the comments below, and I'll answer them on a future live video. So somebody wants to know, tell us about the Build-A-Bear trademarks. They have a lot of them. So it's very common for companies to register trademarks for various goods and services that they offer the public, and they may also get more than one trademark. So I'm going to shrink myself into the corner here and show you Build-A-Bears. So you can see they have a number of trademarks, 20 to be exact. And a couple of them have been applied for but not yet issued. How do we know? Because this one right here, if you look at this, Honey Girls by Build-A-Bear, what they've done is they've applied, so they have a serial number. You get that when you apply, but they don't have a registration number. So that's how we know that those are still pending. Now, they have a number of trademarks for Build-A-Bear, and they have Build-A-Bear.com, Build-A-Bear Workshop, and a slogan, Build-A-Bear Workshop where best friends are made. So their first trademark, Build-A-Bear Workshop, was issued back in 2003 and filed in 1997. And it looks like it's for stationery products, printed invitations, and posters. And then their second one was for retail store services featuring electronic musical devices, purses, backpacks, dolls, and this is kind of interesting. It's a display, design plus words and letters. So it's this display that you see right here. That's kind of interesting. So it looks like a store display. And then they got a trademark. Some of these were canceled. So what can we learn about this? They filed a registration or an application for Build-A-Bear Workshop for a number of different goods and services, and then either didn't use them, or actually it looks like they got registered, and then later when it came time to renew, they decided not to use the Build-A-Bear trademark on these particular goods and services anymore. So they canceled the registration for these particular goods and services like mugs, ceramic figurines, what else? Jewelry, CD-ROMs and audio cassettes. And for novelties, namely keychains made of metal. So what did they keep? They kept books, newsletters, magazines, pamphlets, publications, calendars, and also retail store services in the field of stuffed animals, and entertainment services in the nature of parties for creating stuffed toy animals. So that's kind of interesting. They not only have a registration for the actual bears themselves, but the actual party services. So they have registered as a trademark different aspects of their business. So think about that when you go to register your trademark. It's not unusual for me to talk to a client who has different aspects of their business. For example, they may have an online store, and that online store sells t-shirts. So we may get a registration for the online store services themselves, and also for the goods and services, t-shirts and or clothing. So think about that when you go to register your trademark. I'm Angela Langlotz. I go live here to answer your trademark and copyright law questions. Find me online at TrademarkDoctor.net. I'm on YouTube at video.TrademarkDoctor.net/YouTube. I'm on TikTok, and just go search Trademark Doctor. And of course, I go live here on Facebook at facebook.com/TrademarkDoctor.